to do this one's going to be slightly different than what the directions say. I was working on getting this edited and adjusted yesterday, but I ran out of time when I had to take the girls home. So this one is, we're going to start get your fingers out of there. Sorry, my daughter's over here. So we're going to start with the 16th column on all four of these measurements. So we're going to be on A, and we're going to start at the 16th column over here. What you're going to do is you're going to go here, you're going to go look at your picture, and you're going to say, how many whole inches is it past? And so you're going to be looking at the black writing on here where it says 113. So over here, you're going to put, first thing we're going to do is we're always going to put the whole inches first. 1, 1, 3. Now we need to take care of the fraction. So it's pointing to this line right here. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can come over here and we're going to write 5. It's hard to do it with this little girl on this table. So 5 over how many, what's our division? We counted 5 lines. So how many do we going to need to put underneath? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we need to put 5/16. So it says 13 and 5/16. Can this be reduced? No, because the top number is odd. So we won't need this space, and we won't need this space. Okay, to do the next one, we're going to say, how many inches are we past? Okay, we're past 25, but we're not to 26. Charlie, Daddy's working right now. So we're at 25. And then we're going to count the lines to get to this point. Now, that's a lot of lines to count. Once you get your whole inch, you're going to start counting the lines after the whole inch that you just recorded. And we just recorded 25. So there's a couple of shortcuts you can do. If we know that this ruler is 16 divisions in here, what's half of 16? Good job, you probably said 8. So if we could start here, we could start at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's one way we could get to 12/16. Another way you could do it is if there are 16 divisions in here, we could start at 16 and go with 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. So 16 or 25 and 12/16. So now we're going to look at that and say, can this be reduced? Can the top number be divided by 2? Yes, we can. So we're going to go to the next column and we're going to write 25. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we're at 25 and 6/8. But can this top number be divided by 2? Yes, it can, because it's an even number. So 6 divided by 2, we're going to write 25 first. 6 divided by 2 should be 3. 8 divided by 2 should be 4. Sorry, I was kind of trying to do that, and then Charlie bumped the table. But it says 25 and 3/4. Can the 3 be reduced? Nope, because it's not an even number. So this is the most reduced fraction right there. And that's what you're going to do for C and D also. So do your whole inches first and then count the lines after the whole inch. You're going to write that in this portion where the nearest 16th. Then you're going to go and say, can the top number be divided by 2? If the answer is yes, then you move to the next column. If the answer is no, you leave it where it is. And you basically keep doing it till you get it reduced. And that's how you do the last page. Thank you so much, everybody. You're awesome.